The Hoatzin is one of the strangest birds in the world, found in the swamps, mangroves, and river forests of the Amazon basin in South America. The Hoatzin is the only bird in the world that digests food by fermentation, just like cows and other ruminants. This process gives it a bad smell, which is why locals call it the stink bird. Baby Hoatzins have 2 claws on each wing, helping them climb trees. This is a prehistoric trait, making them resemble dinosaur-era birds. They have a spiky crest, bright blue skin around red eyes, and rusty brown feathers. Their wild look makes them look like a creature from another world.